Gavana wa kaunti ya Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Jr. niwaweta serikali ndinaithukisya kwa withianu mawendi ala muika wa Gen Z unenda miandigwe serikali vindani ya maandamano ala manavitie. Mutula ula evikite mbewa nzama ya Senate ya Uumwe na Wiananu niwaweta unenania wa waania wa miana ya mawia ni kulyo yimwe usungio wayo utanethinikiwa na thienda mavindisi kana thienda mavindisi ya mathandau ndikana kwikithia amuika ni makwata miana ya mawia serikali nene na ila cia kaunti. Benjamin Mwaka nukuelesya.
Gavana wa Makueni Mutula Kilonzo Jr. no weta serikali nene thine ithukisya na kuthukumithia kwa withianu mawendi ala muika manenda kwisila maandamano ma muika wa Gen Z. Mutula no weta muika ni manenda usungio wa kutoa kukonya miana ya mawia serikali nene na undu wa kukwata miana hii thini wa serikali cia kaunti.
What is your advice on what we can do so that at least we find that matters youth are addressed adequately and properly in the nation, not in Makueni?
I don't think the government realizes that it has not addressed the concerns of the youth. The government today has just buried its head in the sand about matters youth. So the nation must be deliberate. One, the youth are possibly not even interested in formal employment. In Makueni alone, I have 228,000 graduates, young people, below the age of 35. Even if I attempted to employ them, they would not be interested. Unless the country becomes deliberate on matters youth, deliberate. Deliberate means that if they are going to afford credit, it must be cheap. If you are going to attract them to farming, there must be a reason they are doing the farming, and they must be paid quickly. A time is coming when the government will be of young people only, because we are the majority, and we must get very serious about their needs, how they are going to work, how they are going to be productive. Because the young people, we give bursaries to people, we give help, and people have gone to school. Kenya has an educated population, and if we lie to these people, we are going to offer them formal employments of wearing suits. We are lying to them. And they don't want.
Aine na vikite mbewa nzama ya mbunge ya Senate ya maundu ma Uumwe la cohesion na kwi umuthi no alumililia nthini wa kaunti ya Makueni ni wende si mwaluku manene kuikithia wiananu wa kimivae nthini wa wanyo wa mawia ya kaunti ni valona nthini wa nzama ya kama minister uvikite kilungu cha miongo 5 yulwaya na kimivae.
The issue of employment across the counties. You have an organization which is bringing all the governors together. If you sit and agree on how to employ people across all the counties, will that be possible?
We have improved from 95% of the dominant Kamba community to 92%, which in our estimation is a good score in terms of the people who are represented. Makueni, again, I must put it on record, we have gone beyond the thresholds of gender. It's the male who are in jeopardy. The female are above the threshold, 61%. We need to change the formula now to accommodate the male. So we're represented there. In terms of representation at cabinet, I have made sure that we are at 50%. We balance.
Nuwaweta Makueni mustali nombe kuikithia muika ni matethikana biasala cia county vala oyu wathingila procurement cia county siithiwa iitwa iwe kwanzia ya imwe kwa imwe kwisila mutandao no kana kusia wanganganya na kuwete withianu nthini wa wanya wa tenda.
Procurement in Makueni will now be done online. All of it, qualification and everything else is now being done online portal. Part of it is because young people all of them have access to mobile devices, and instead of carrying papers, they will be able now to use their mobile devices to register their companies, procure.
Ni waithia muno serikali nene ithitwe yosa thukumi serikali ya Makueni mevumbata kitali asomi na ekima masavu ala methitwe maithamia serikali ni akati vala ingi athukumia aingi mo ni kuma ambaye ni ila ingi ala methitwe maikwata miana awia nthini wa kaunti ya Makueni.
While the county has made efforts to bring the non-dominant community chairman, regrettably, In some instances, these communities declined disappointment, citing various reasons such as family, distances, inadequate amenities, and non-competitive salaries. I recently lost a Kalenjin economist, very good gentleman, but he was poached by national government. I also lost another gentleman from the Kikuyu community who joined Treasury. It's called Karanja. Again, because of the same reasons, and several doctors who have left employment because of competition and salaries, and national government has found a way of poaching from counties, and Makueni has become a very attractive place for this.
Vilingo wa mauvo kumava musieni wa Ilovi nye nita wa Benjamin Mwakam.